Hi, I'm Tolga, Onica's CTO.
Hi, my name is Josh, and I'm a solutions architect here at Onica.
Today we're going to talk about infrastructure as code. So Josh, tell us, what is infrastructure as code?
So back in the old days, if you needed a server spun up or you needed some new storage for your VM, you would put in a ticket. You'd go talk to Joe and say, hey Joe, I need X, Y, and Z. Joe would then go and do X, Y, and Z, however he best knew how. Infrastructure as code removes a lot of the human part of that equation, and instead of taking several days to build a server or to get new storage for your server, you write some text and you deploy it, and boom, you've got a server.
Cool, and what's AWS's product in this space?
So AWS has a product called CloudFormation, and that's their native tool for deploying infrastructure as code.
So tell us more about CloudFormation. How does it work?
So basically you upload a JSON or YAML file to the CloudFormation console. You hit deploy and CloudFormation does it for you. All you need to tell CloudFormation is what you want. CloudFormation will figure out the pieces that you need and how to get that up and running for you.
Awesome. And so you had the analogy with Joe where Joe would plug a network cable in. What happens in CloudFormation when the cable's already plugged in? So Joe could figure that out and not do anything. What does CloudFormation do?
CloudFormation is a desired state engine, more or less. You, in your YAML file or JSON file, you tell it what you want. CloudFormation will then look at that and say, okay, pieces 1, 2, and 3 have already been built. I don't need to mess with that. Pieces 4, 5, and 6, those are still what need to be spun up, and then it'll go and spin those up for you.
So it'll selectively make changes to the environment based on only what's changed from the last time we used it?
Yes. Your YAML file outlines the desired state, the end state that you want, and CloudFormation's job is to get you to that desired state. So if it doesn't need to make more changes, then it won't.
Awesome. Thanks, Josh.
Yep.